Ready to complete your delivery? Let's walk through the entire delivery process from start to finish. In just a few simple steps, you'll learn how to complete a delivery accurately using WHMSPro. Let's see how you can do this in just a few steps. When a new delivery is assigned to you, you'll receive a notification on your mobile device. Tap the notification to open the My Jobs page. If you don't open the notification, you can go to the My Jobs page and tap the Delivery tab to view all your assigned delivery jobs. Here, you'll find two sections. Today, deliveries assigned for the current day. Upcoming, deliveries scheduled for future dates. When it's time for your scheduled delivery, travel to the delivery warehouse address. Once you arrive, select the required delivery job to open the delivery details page. Review the delivery information, including the customer details and delivery address. After collecting the consignment from the warehouse, tap out for delivery to begin your journey. When you arrive at the delivery location, open the delivery job and tap Mark as delivered. If delivery verification is enabled, you'll be asked to complete the verification process before confirming the delivery. First, collect the buyer's signature on your mobile device. Next, capture the buyer's ID proof. Then, scroll down to the delivery PIN section. A verification PIN will be sent to the buyer's registered email address. Ask the buyer to provide the PIN, then enter it into the app. After completing all the verification steps, tap Confirm Delivery. Your delivery is now successfully completed. That's the complete driver delivery workflow. By following these simple steps, you can complete every delivery quickly, securely, and with confidence. Thanks for watching.